Hi, this is Shamim. In this video, I will share how to remove your photo's background and how to set a custom background for your photo. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. At first, I am go Chrome browser and right here online photo background remover. After write online photo background remover, press on enter button. Then you can see at first this website and click here. Then we can see here is a upload image option are available. You can upload your photo from here. Now I am upload my photo. Okay, you can see here is my photo already background removed and I can download from here. But now I am click on edit option. From here I will set some amazing background from here. Okay, just see here is many ready-made background are ready. You can use every background. Okay, you can also change photo color. Okay, you can see here is many color are available. Also you can upload background. For that photo background. Okay, now I am interface. Now I am download a background. Okay, now I am upload my background. This is my photo background and you can see here is already set the background. This way you can change your photo background and you can remove your background from here. And you can download from here totally free from this website.